Hey everyone, this is Ashish from Developer Hut and welcome to Go for Beginners series. So now the next data type is the string data type. So the string data type is basically used to store the sequence of characters or the textual values. So whenever you are storing the string value or creating the string variable, make sure that your text should be in the double quotes. Okay, so let's try to create one string variable. So I will say var, I will say text1, and I will give the data type which is of the string. Let's say hello. Okay, then let's create one more variable without initializing the value. So I will say text2. Okay, and it is just a string. Okay, no initial values. So let's create the third variable, say text3 with colon equal to keyword, and I will say world. Okay, now here I have created the three different variables. Now let's try to print them. So I will say fmt dot print, and I will say type is of %t. I hope you remember the formatting verbs, right? And I will say value colon is equal to %p, right? And let's give slash in and print the text1. Okay, so the text1 type and text1 value. Okay, let's copy this and paste it. I will say text2, and text3, and I will say text3. Okay, let's try to run this. So I will just simply comment the earlier one because we haven't used those. We only declare those but haven't used those. So I will simply comment all these variables so that we can run this program. Now let's try to run this again. So here you can see we have a text1 value, right, which is printed on the console. This is hello. Now here we have a text2 value which is not initialized. So whenever you do not initialize the string variable without value, the value will always be the blank value. Okay, and then we also have a text3 which we already assigned the value 1. Okay, so this is how we create the string variable in Go. So I hope you understand how to create the string variable in Go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.